Alright, peps, another pickup today. Car is completely full again. Some heat fans, some water heater, another, oh, the sun is way, another big heater. Some DeWalt machine, some aluminium sticks, and some cables right down there. That bucket. These buckets are full of aluminium heatsink, part of LED lamps. Some small pieces inside there. Here, this machine again, more cables and so on. And the other side. Full basket of just brass connections. And these are actually all electronic stuff and cables and so on. And there you have the big fan I'm talking about. I collect the hoses for my little pet. Maybe they can running around for the home. This is a nice brass cable connection. So this is just a short pickup. Recently I also got some batteries. So my garage starts to filling up a little bit. Woo! Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I actually got a new pickup load from Sticky Fingers on that container I was before, and I did found really good stuff this time, and it's gonna probably be one, maybe two times more, at least one more time it's gonna be. I just don't know when. He's gonna contact me when I can go there and pick up the last stuff. So yes, that's today's video, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more about the pickup in this video, and I'm gonna do also some scrapping, and then you will see the result of the video. So what you wonder what I'm doing is just I'm trying to scrape the things off my thumb. I got steel glue from the stuff. You will know what I mean, the alien glue. So, but once again, thank you Sticky Fingers for your donation, and see you in next video. So, hello everyone. This is a classic, projector. You put your dia projector, yes it is dia projector thing, and so far that's working. So yeah, we have some remote control and so on. It's, let's see, it's Waste AB. I don't know when it's actually made, but it's quite old. I guess it's probably from the 80s, and it's quite heavy. And I notice, first of all, when I turn it upside down, you can see the copper right in there. You see that? Nice and shiny copper. And it's quite heavy. I know by fact it is a fan. Should be some kind of transformer in here, and put the lights out. You can remove this one. You can change those to other one. It's depend the depth of the screen you have, or the ability, or environment where to use it. So wonder if this work. So put it like that, and turn it off. Right. Let's see if this little thing works. Oh yeah, there you go. Then I can reverse it. Now we know it's working. Whew, it's quite light. There you have the zooming, it's the pan. There you go. Oh, sorry. Yuppie tuppie. And you can zoom it. You get lighter, bigger, or even smaller. It's depend of kind of the white kind of, you know, different stuff. But this I will save those because these are really good actually to look at stuff, and the black thing around it makes the lights do not come in so often. Why is the lights so dark on this side? Is it me or just me? So anyway, I'm gonna save those. This one goes to scrapyard, and now we're gonna take this apart and we're gonna see what's inside it. I will never ever gonna use this, and that's because everything is digital. Yeah, because I know something really good in it. You can actually lift weight with it. So yeah, basically, so we put it away. Oh, maybe I have to have this one here to move that out. Okay, cool. So let's stick onto it and see what's in that. So first of all, I think I see a flat screwdriver. So we bring the big stuff. This is adjustment feet. I don't know if they have anything to do with it. What do we have here? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Here we have a screw. Well, it's probably too big. All right. There we go. Okay, is that enough? I don't know. We have a screw here, but I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I do see some arrows. An arrow goes down there. This arrow, this arrow. Nothing, nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. Oh. Oh, hold on. Waste AB. But here it says Kinderman and Company. I think this was the it's still the German thing, but this is an original name on it. You can see right over there. That's the original name. we have, oh, okay, cool. That's the first part. And remove that one. And I do see a kind of circuit board. We have a small fuse. Come on. Right. So let's bring this off. We got the cables. One. Right. Are we getting somewhere? The first little small are just copper, and that's the fuse on. Well, actually not interesting, so those go directly to the scrapyard. We cut the cable, and this is for the remote. And the remote should be cool. The remote has 4 copper thing, and the rest of the plate are just that kind of the switches. So I'm just gonna take everything and put it in the cable. That, boom. We remove this one so I don't get bothered by the cable. So we have a screw here in the front. Just big plastic. More plastic. Oh, look at that. Look at that nice shiny copper transformer. So let's make the small one our guarantee copper. But let's see the big one. The big one turns red, so that's copper. Nice, lovely copper. So, let's remove this. Just to make sure, after the cut, I can see directly it's copper. So this is actually good, nice transformer, and it's actually a good transformer to scrap, because you see the welding there and there, which means I can just put it on my vise and do the hammering, pam pam pam, take this off, pull the rest out. So this is really nice, quick process of this transformer. And what more do we have? We have cable. I do see some kind of this is the fan. That's probably more copper in there. This is a really nice thick lens. I saved those because you never know when you have to use the lens for making a fire or something, as you learned at the scouts. Here's another awesome lens that you can use. Of course. All right. I think I know. Right, we do see some brass, little brass on this kind of connector. More cables. Here we have some screwy, and we have a screw here. We have a screw here. Come on, give it to me. Alright, more plastic. I want that nice little window. More plastic. Here we go. Here we have the fan, and here we have the motor, and we got some copper. Maybe that smell, that was not so nice. All right. Yeah. Oh, almost. Almost. I'm gonna put it in the vise and take this off. This is not actually that interesting, but I do see this part, and I want to see what it is. kind of paper. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Look at that, nice copper. Nice shiny sticky copper. This is really sticky glue. Ew. It's been there for ages. Yeah. It's really, you know, alien gruely. There. Now, put it away. And I need to clean my hands. Be right back. So let's move on. We take the, now you know it's copper, and we know this is copper. I do see some kind of engine. I think it's this is. I think this part right over there on the wheel are actually copper as well. But I do see some shiny broth. I cannot use magnet yet because I know the shafts are magnetic. So we put that on the side. The rest of it, boom. Oh, this is more sticky stuff. Yep, I just pull up a little bit string. More copper. And now at last least, I want to have that engine. That I don't need. Oh, another small little motor. Awesome. Don't mess with me when I need the stuff. Alright, now I need to remove the shaft somehow. Right. Copper cable, and how do I get this out? That's so easy. We have a nice small motor, and this is another part. Copper. I just removed the shaft in the center, and this looks like brass. I don't know. It could not be. Oh yeah. The actual shaft are brass, but the other thing around it are magnetic. So probably just some ferro thing that I can crush with a hammer. Like, no, just kidding. Then I have to maybe bang it out with the special tools. But the center are actually brass. The rest of it, boom. And here we have Nice copper. Squeeze it that way. Just pull it aside. And then you have it. Another copper. So now we know we have some copper. What I'm doing is just squeezing the plastic. So I'm gonna play it down with me. Come on. All right. That's the first piece. course it's gonna pull off. At the very end, huh? That's another piece of copper. Now I'm gonna deal with the rest, and I'm not gonna bore you about that, and I'm gonna show you the total when I'm done. So the total amount of copper, I start with gram. $511 grams, and it's 18 ounces just for that little machine, plus this little small motor. I'm not gonna process that one. I'm gonna give that to my wife, and she can do it. And I don't know why I actually did succeed to spin it that good, but I got it on video. Thank you for watching.